Howdy folks, and today we're going to have a look at the Visionary Universal Smartphone Holder, which is available to purchase in the description below, and while you're there please hit that subscribe button. So, designed to fit, as the title says, a smartphone onto a spotting scope, telescope, binoculars, even a microscope, and it fits onto eyepieces from around about 26 to 51 millimeters with an outer width, and you do this by turning this outer wheel here, and you've got these three little pads inside, and they will close and open so you can grip onto whichever eyepiece you're using, and I will come on to suitable eyepieces in a second. And to adjust for the width of the smartphone, you've got a little turning knob here which moves this pad in and out to around about 3.5 inches width, and by width I mean the narrow width of the phone. So I mentioned suitable eyepieces. Here we have one that is suitable, and this is a twist eye cup, and it's a solid twist eye cup, so when you grip the adapter onto there it holds very tightly, and if it is a twist eye cup, have it set to the correct distance for your eye relief before use. Here we have another one, another very nice eyepiece, but it has a soft fold down eye cup, and so when you put the adapter on it will simply not grip and fall off. And so to connect the camera, what I like to do first is put the smartphone on first and adjust that before you put it on to the spotting scope or whatever device you're using. So tighten it into place, and so what you're trying to do is line it up, this hole here, with your camera. And so some cameras on the smartphones are to one side, they're in the middle, wherever. This one is bang in the middle. So get it into place and tighten it there so it's lined up with the hole. And then what you do, and yes, I have adjusted it earlier, connect it to your telescope or whatever you're looking through. Switch it on, excuse me, bring the camera up, and there we have it. It's almost a full screen there, but not quite, just a little bit of vignetting around there. You can just open out the image, zoom in, and you get the full image. And so that is really how to connect a smartphone, how simple it is. I get a few frequently asked questions, and people will say, what sort of results will I get? That depends on the quality of your smartphone camera, the eyepiece and the telescope used really, and your accuracy of focus. So that pretty much sums up this adapter. I hope it helps. Thank you very much for watching, and as mentioned before, please check out the links in the description below.